Chapter 1. Market Watch – Tips for Micro Accounts. This tutorial is dedicated for micro trading account holders. You can see the Market Watch window at the top left side of the application. As a micro trading account holder, you can only trade on currency pairs with the prefix micro, for example Euro-USD micro instead of Euro-USD. The standard instruments are not tradable and are used by MT4 to calculate prices of CFDs. To have a clear overview of all details, it is advisable to close all other charts displaying the standard symbols, used for standard trading accounts, and replace them with the micro charts. Simply right-click on the required micro symbol and choose the option Chart Window to display the micro chart of the specific symbol. To avoid confusion, we suggest hiding the standard symbols by right-clicking a symbol and pressing Hide. This will remove the selected symbol from the Market Watch window. Thank you for watching.